So next time you're going up to see the guns, now I call it the Maveron guns, it's supposed to be called the Cartagena guns. You probably notice this big sign here. So you can go down here, guys, and get yourself a nice cold drink and a meal. Now, if you want something special, check out his Facebook page. I'll give you a link below that as well. Because what he likes you to do is to check out the menu, phone up while you're visiting the guns. He can cook the meal because he cooks all the meals straight off the barbecue, so he knows what you want then. It also gives you an idea of the price as well by checking out the menu. Anyway, Miguel, the guy that's running this, it's really an activity centre, but he's quite happy for people to come here to have a drink. Now if you do have a meal, he's got a swimming pool. If he's got not many people here, he's quite happy if you use the swimming pool, but please ask first. But the idea of this video is just to show you from my first video I did last year, as a carry on, is the amazing work that this guy's done already. He's finished most of the accommodation now. You'll see in the video, amazing, it's, you know, where it's been laid out, a lot of thought's gone into it, and he's a man for detail. So I hope you enjoy the vid. As I always say, guys, got to keep watching, you're going to miss something. Anyway, I'm off to get a cold drink. So we're just trying out the carob cake and the almond cake. And can you pass that down?
This one?
Yeah. So this is what I've shown. If you guys remember, I've shown this off hanging off trees, and this is the carob, which they call a poor man's chocolate. And this is what it can turn into like. And I'll be honest, it has got a taste of chocolate, hasn't it?
Definitely got a taste of chocolate.
Yeah. Whereas obviously that's got a taste of almond, but I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm going to give that a go.
Both really nice.
I like the bit of artwork there next to it. kitchen bit. It's all self-contained, so you've got your microwave, toaster, your oven, sink in the corner there, and then a view out the window at the mountains. You can just imagine sat out there in the afternoon. So this is the master bedroom. So you're in your bedroom. How cool was this? If you're into nature, you got your bird's nest in there. Amazing, isn't it? So you got a little hole where the bird comes in. Obviously, he's not in there, but Miguel did say that he had birds in there. Spare bedroom, twin bedroom, got 2 beds in there. So there's the air con. I've just shown you how high the ceilings are. Just makes the room a lot bigger. And obviously, so that's the view that you got looking out your window. The block. If you go around, you can see over there. You can sit out, look at the mountain views. So the last time I come here, none of this was done. It was completely empty, like a shower. So you got your sink, your toilet. You got a cupboard sort of walk straight past. You got your walk-in shower. Very nice. So I've just shown you the medium-sized room, which is obviously a family room, and this is the smallest room. Still pretty big. So you got your lounge area, your dining bit area, kitchen. Still got a lovely view out the window there of the mountain range. So everything you expect to find in a kitchen, with the microwave, the oven. Now Miguel told me that this was the smallest, but to me it looks pretty big. Okay, so hasn't been laid out at the moment, but shows you the size, doesn't it? That's to me it's nearly the same as the other one. So shower, and then you got toilet. Good touch there, hair dryer. I think that's a central bit of kit for the ladies. I suppose for us guys as well now. This is the smaller bedroom. It's got a single, but look at the view, guys. I mean, looking out of that every morning. So Miguel was telling me these light bulb fittings you see, they also got a bit of history with them. They're to catch the wasps, believe it or not. Obviously you didn't have the bulbs in there. And the wasps would go in up the top and get trapped in the water. So something else a bit more authentic. You find a lot of the wooden shutters all from the buildings back in the 20s as well.
I shall try to explain you. We made the lamp with this. I had in my farm from my grandfather. He had grape trees, and this is to catch wasps. They put sugar and water here, close, and the flies and the wasp came inside and couldn't go out. You see, it's handmade because it's irregular. It's from last year blowing. Yeah. They made glass blowing.
So Miguel was very cleverly turned that into a lamp fitting. So he's made all use of all old things as well. But yeah, the old wasp trap or fly trap.